think healthy eating has to be boring? Think again. It's National Nutrition Month, and registered dietitian Amy Goodson is sharing how we can power through the afternoon energy slump with some simple, nutrient-rich snack choices.
You know, so many people crave sweet when it comes to snack time, and I'm telling you, one of the best swaps for refined sugar is to choose a food that's naturally sweet and nutrient rich. So one of my favorites is Natural Delights Medjool dates. So these are a whole, fresh fruit that are packed with 16 essential vitamins and minerals, and they now have the perfect snack. They are called mini Medjools. So these are a simple, wholesome, naturally sweet snack. They're made with pureed Medjool dates and then other delicious ingredients like dried fruit, coconut, crunchy nuts and seeds. But I think, Tanya, one of my favorite parts is that you can eat 4 of the mini Medjools for only 150 calories.
Get out.
And you get and you get other nutrients like potassium and fiber. So I like to say, think of this as a bite-sized treat that's helping with muscle recovery, as well as giving you a little boost of natural energy in the afternoon. So these are a must-try at snack time. So be sure to look for Natural Delights Medjool dates and the mini Medjools at Meijer, Jewel Osco, Mariano's, and then of course online at naturaldelights.com.
All right, so that takes care of the sweet. What about that salty and crunchy that all of us like? But you know, we know that those are loaded with calories.
All right, so I am a crunch girl. I love crunch at snack time, but this month for National Nutrition Month, I'm gonna tell you to forget the chips and snack on wonderful pistachios. So they come in so many different flavors. They come in shell and out of shell. But what's great is that pistachios are actually one of the highest protein snack nuts with 6 grams of complete plant-based protein and 3 grams of fiber per serving. Plus 90% of the fat found in pistachios is that better for you monounsaturated fat. So you really get this little trio of nutrients, protein, fat, and fiber that's gonna help you feel fuller longer. And of course, we always wanna dip our crunchy foods into something. And let me tell you, pistachios are so versatile, you can actually make dips with them. So this is a lemony beet pistachio hummus. So I actually pureed pistachios into the hummus, and then for us crunch girls, sprinkled a few on top. Let me tell you, grab some whole grain pita bread, dip this in there, and you have the perfect solution for a dip at snack time, as well as a little bit of crunch.
Okay, we got it all healthy in there. Okay, now let's get back to those sweets, because this is a very specific sweet. Chocolate. Everyone loves the chocolate.
Yes, chocolate is a big time favorite at snack time, and I'm telling you, I have a little bit of chocolate heaven for you today. This is Hershey's A2 milk. Girl, if you are looking for a creamy, chocolatey real milk, this is it. So it's made with Hershey's cocoa and A2 milk with no artificial sweeteners or flavors. And let me tell you, if you don't know about A2 milk, because a lot of people don't, this is 100% real dairy milk from local U.S. farms, and it comes from cows that naturally produce only the A2 protein. So it's easier on digestion and may help some people avoid discomfort. So my translation of that is, this Hershey's A2 milk is the perfect chocolate fix for afternoon snack time. So be sure to look for Hershey's A2 milk and all the A2 products at Meijer and at Mariano's. And girl, cheers to snack time.
More parking.
All right, if you want to learn more nutrition-packed recipes, head to Amy's website at amygoodsonrd.com.